Yeah, good day, my good people. Please, first of all, make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you comment. So, do that for me. And now I'm solving this question, which is what always I'm dealing with calculation under this exercise. So, this is a question paper, 12 April 2019. So, under converting the whole circle bearing and what the quadrant bearing. So, is what the question said what? Convert the following whole circle bearing to quadrant bearing. So, which means, first of all, you must make sure that you will understand this graph. So, there is no way that you are going to given this thing. So, you must make sure that you know by head. So, which is what? Is the north and the south, and the east and the west. So, more is 0, then the diagram is conveys 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So, it's rotating clockwise direction, but starting from north. Then, under the first quadrant, we have what? The whole circle bearing is equal to the quadrant bearing. And under the second quadrant, which is what the whole circle bearing is equal to 180 subtract what the quadrant bearing. The third quadrant, the whole circle bearing is equal to the quadrant bearing plus 180 degrees is in degrees. Then the third quadrant is the whole circle bearing is equal to 360 subtract what? The quadrant bearing. So you must make sure that you know those things by head. Then we have to convert, guys. We have to convert as is indicated that we have those numbers. First of all, we don't know is under the whole circle bearing or it's a quadrant bearing. But one thing you must make sure that you understand here. Check. The question says you want to convert the following whole circle bearing. So, which means the first indicated sentence, which is what the whole circle bearing, which means those numbers is the whole circle bearing. So now, which means we have to convert, we have to calculate what the quadrant bearing. So you must check, because most of learners, most of students, they have a problem here. And another thing, so this is very important, which means the number, the sentence was the first sentence is what? Is the numbers, which is this one is a whole circle bearing, this one is a whole circle bearing, it's a whole circle bearing, which means we have to calculate what? The quadrant bearing. So which means now I know we understand this thing. So we are going to use this. The question, we're supposed to calculate what? You're supposed to convert the whole circle bearing to what? The quadrant bearing. So which means now we are going to focus to the first number, which is what? 25 degrees, as you indicated that this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So you must check that 25 is fall under which quadrant. As all of us we know that 0 to 90, which means it's fall under the first quadrant. Why in the first quadrant? The whole circle bearing and the quadrant bearing, they are equal. So let's write 4.3.1. So first of all, you must show the direction. So you have to indicate 25 degrees is at northeast. So this is the first mark. We have 1 mark for free. Without calculating, we have only 1 mark for free because you indicated what? The direction. So, which means we have to collect what? The formula inside what? the graph, which means now it's going to be what? The whole circle bearing is equal to the quadrant bearing. You show like, this is like invariant geometry, but we are solving this thing as a invariant geometry. Always you must make the reason and get the answer. So under this is what the whole circle bearing is equal to quadrant bearing. Copy it from the graph. Then you solve now. Therefore, which means what? The quadrant bearing is equal to 25 degrees and 40 minutes. It's 40 minutes, yes. Then you underline. You supposed don't show the direction because already the question there is no direction. The direction is what is the angle. So we have to check the angle is fall under which quadrant. Then you are done. So we go to what? 4.3.2. 4.3.2. Make sure that you write this thing well. Because most of students, instead of 4.3.2, you don't have 4.3.4. You see, number is very important. Make sure that you don't lose marks. We have what? The angle of was 225. Check. This is the first angle that we must make sure that we focus on it. Let's check 225 is from where? This is 180, 90, 180, 180 and 270, which means it's fall under the third quadrant. So you must make sure that you show the direction 225 degrees is at where? Southwest. So while under the southwest, we have the formula of what? The whole circle bearing is equal to the quadrant bearing plus 180 degrees. So let's check. We are calculating what? Quadrant bearing. So the quadrant bearing, which is this one, which means we have to do what? The subject of the formula. We have to do the quadrant bearing as the subject of the formula is a mathematics. So which means the quadrant bearing is this one. It's going to be, we take this one, that side. Is that actually is remaining at the same place? Ne? That one is like that side. Or I can write it as like this. The whole circle bearing, subtract this one, come that side is going to be subtract 180 degrees, and that side is what remaining what? The quadrant bearing. This is the subject of the formula. So to write it well as a mathematics is going to be what? The quadrant bearing is equal to the whole circle bearing, subtract 180 degrees. Yeah. Like this, because always the answers must be on what? On the right hand side. Then after you do what? You substitute. Very simple substitution. The whole circle bearing, we have the whole circle bearing, which is this number. You take this number and substitute. Is 5 degrees and what? 26 minutes degrees, second minutes. Subtract what? 180 degrees. Then very simple. Let me show you by calculator. By calculator it's very simple. You say what? Let me do by calculator first. You see this thing. You punch 225 what? Fact. Then after that you press what? 26 again, or fact. There is a fact on the calculator, or fact, or subtract 180, or fact. Then which means you are going to get what? 45, 26 seconds. Ne? So it's going to be what? 45, 26. This is a minute. Degrees and minutes. 26 seconds, yeah. Then you show what? You show the direction. Y is what? You are given the direction from the top. So you show the direction. here is southwest, like this. Then you underline. You see? Very, very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Then you go to what? Question 4.33. So question 4.33, very simple. Let me remove this one because I don't have the space. So fast. You don't have time. 4.33. So the one is very simple. 4.33, which is what? The angle of what? 140 degrees, 50 minutes. Then it's going to be what? It's fall under what? 140 is fall under what? 140 is fall under what? Is at, let's check, 140, which means it's fall under 90 and 180. So it's going to be the second quadrant. You can write the second quadrant, then write, which means as long as we indicated it's a second quadrant, it's already, we mentioned it, which is good. So, but you can say southeast is still the same. Ne? So we already have got 1 mark for that. Then you check under the second quadrant, which is what the formula is. WCB is equals to 180 degrees minus quadrant bearing. Simple. Subject of the formula, this one come that side is going to be QB, and 180 remaining that side, this one come that side is going to be what? The whole circle bearing. Then, as we are given the whole circle bearing, which is what? 140/50. So now it's going to be 180 degrees minus what? 140 hour and 50 minutes. Ne? Then use the same calculator. Simple. Don't forget to press fact, because the more if you press the different thing, it's going to be another mistakes. Let's press 180. Then you press fact. Subtract what? 140. You press fact. Fact is going to show this degrees. Then after you do what? You press what? 50. You press what? Fact again. So we are going to get what? We are going to get 49, not 49, 39, is 39, 50. Then we show the direction is what? Southeast. You underline the answer because it's what? You are showing the examiner the respect. If you don't underline, which means you are committing a suicide. Let's go to what? 4.3.4. Very simple. 4.3.4. So under 4.3.4, very simple again. So we have to check 3.4 is fall under, which means it's fall under 270 and 360. No? Yes. So is what is the fourth quadrant. So 1 is what? 340 is at northwest. So this is the direction, 1 mark. This one is saying 1 mark. Ne? 1 mark, 2 mark, 2 mark. Simple answers. So you corrected the formula the way it is. The whole circle bearing is equal to 360 subtract the quadrant bearing. So it's going to be what? It's going to be what you are calculating what the quadrant bearing. So quadrant bearing come that side is going to be QB that side. Subtract what? Write this one the way it is 360. Then this one that side subtract what? The whole circle bearing. Then the answer is going to be what? Let me substitute 360 minus this number is what? 340, 50. 340, 50. Then you punch the calculator, you get the answer. Very simple. Let me punch my calculator first. So it's 360 degrees, and you must show that is the degrees, because if you don't show the degrees, then you're committing suicide. Then it's 360 fact, then subtract 340 fact and 50 fact. So the answer is going to be what? 49, 10. 49 and 10 minutes. So you write the direction is what? North, west. 1 mark for direction. So which means 2 marks for free again. So what? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 marks for free. The question says what? The magnetic bearing of the line AB is 143 and 40 minutes. Determine the true bearing if the declination is 1890. So as we know that this question is very simple. So you must make sure that you know the formula by head, because there is no way or you are going to given that formula. So the true bearing, we are calculating what? The true bearing. So the true bearing, this is the formula. True bearing is equal to what? Is equal to the magnetic bearing subtract what? The declination. Declination bearing. So which means it's very simple again. It's under 4.4. This is a solution under 4.4. So it's going to be what? It's going to be a magnetic bearing, which is what? 143 degrees and what? 40 minutes. Subtract what? 8 and 90. So very simple. You get the answer. Don't forget to punch fact to get the degree. So let me do fast. It's going to be 143, 40 fact, subtract 88 fact and what? 90 seconds. So it's going to be 135 degree and 21 minutes. Yes, this is the answer for what? The true bearing. So you may find that the other person said what? Calculate the magnetic bearing. So which means you do magnetic bearing, the subject of the formula. You are going to given what? The declination and what? The true bearing. So it's coming different ways. Or maybe calculate what? The declination, what? The bearing, and you are given the two values, which is true bearing and magnetic bearing. So which means you do this one, the subject of the formula, then you get the answer. So under 4.5, we see now we are given the direction. So the person said what? The convert the QB. You see, now we are converting the QB, the quadrant bearing. We are converting the quadrant bearing, which means this number is for quadrant bearing. And we are given what? The direction, southeast. We are going to use this thing. Under 4.5. So it's going to be what? First of all, we don't know, but we know we have what? The direction. The direction is what? Is southwest. We are given is southwest. Southwest is this 10. This 10 is under what? Southwest. Southeast, man. Southeast is this one. Southeast, yes. So under southeast is this one. So automatically, as we are given the direction, no need to write the direction. So which means we go straight to the formula. Next is going to be the WCB is equal to 180 subtract what the quadrant bearing. So we just punch. The formula is very important. You are going to have 1 mark because it's carry 2 marks, 2 marks. So it's tough. Don't forget we are calculating what? The whole circle bearing because the question said what? Convert what? A QB. A quadrant bearing, which means this answer, this number is for quadrant bearing. So the whole circle bearing, we are calculating the whole circle bearing now. So way forward, this one is already added. It's already what is convert to the subject of the formula. Is what we are calculating the whole circle bearing. Everything is good. So it's going to be what? 180 degrees subtract what? The QB, the quadrant bearing. The quadrant bearing is what? Is this one 38 degrees, 38 hour and 45 minutes. Then the answer is going to be what? So you punch the calculator very well so that it's got meters aside. So 180 degrees subtract 88 degrees 45 fact. So the answer is going to be what? The answer is going to be what? Then when you punch this thing in order, so you are going to get the answer. Eh? That answer you write it here. So let me do it first because now we impart the different number. So it's 180. What does that mean? It's 180. What is the fact? I don't see that effect. So that is not the problem. It's not the problem. Let me do this one. So this thing is very, very simple. 180 subtract 38. Then it's going to be 142 degrees and 45 seconds. So you are done. This is a question paper 2019 April.